A world where EVs are on the brink of extinction. It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, hold on to your seats because the headlines we're seeing might just be pointing to that reality. The road for electric vehicles has been uneven lately. For automakers, the battery supply chain has proven to be an expensive obstacle. Additionally, customers are delaying switching to EVs due to the price as well as the lack of infrastructure for charging them. Furthermore, the margins for EVs, an already entirely unprofitable car type, continue to collapse in a pricing war spearheaded by Elon Musk's Tesla. In spite of these difficulties, Toyota's chairman, Akio Toyoda, claimed that people are finally recognizing the truth when it comes to EVs. Imagine you're a person who's fed up with the rising fuel prices, hence you decide to switch to an EV. However, to shock you, reports are coming in that the automakers are stopping their EV manufacturing, hence you're concerned regarding your thoughts. Toyota's announcement was made the day after Honda and General Motors called off their planned collaboration to create more reasonably priced electric cars. By 2027, the alliance aimed to produce and market electric vehicles at a price point below $30,000. However, automakers no longer find the EV market to be as profitable as it formerly was. GM spokeswoman Daryl Harrison told CNBC that after conducting a thorough investigation and analysis, we've decided to end the program together. Every company is still dedicated to providing affordable electric vehicles to the market. All companies are still dedicated to providing affordable electric vehicles. The same day, General Motors said that it was postponing the launch of its next electric vehicle portfolio, which will comprise of the GMC Sierra Denali EV, Chevy Silverado EV, and Chevy Equinox EV. Additionally, the short delay will make the trucks more efficient and less expensive to construct, and consequently more profitable, according to General Motors CEO Mary Barra. So what would happen if brands started to think of a business as a profiting machine alone? We might not witness any value-creating businesses, right? However, brands can consider strategies for cost-cutting without compromising quality so that they can cope with the demand. The corporation stated that it still intends to generate 1 million EVs by 2025, while dropping its goal of producing 400,000 EVs by the middle of 2024. Barra stated, "It's evident that we're dealing with a lot of near-term uncertainty. The switch to electric vehicles will involve a lot of ups and downs," Ford announced. It was reducing the rate at which it was producing the F-150 Lightning vehicle. Even Tesla, generally considered the industry leader, failed in street delivery projections for the quarter and then reported lower than expected profits. CEO Elon Musk also attributed the problem to rising financing rates. Recently, Toyoda announced his resignation as CEO of Toyota. He said, "I have continued to articulate what I view as a fact. Achieving carbon neutrality is a mountain that can only be climbed in many different ways. One of these alternate strategies makes use of hybrid and plug-in hybrid vehicles, which have historically counted for a sizable portion of Toyota's electric vehicle sales." According to Bob Carter, Vice President of Sales for Toyota North America, the reason hybrids are so powerful is because they match the needs of so many customers. Carter said to CNBC in 2022, "There has been a significant demand for hybrids. Later this decade, when the entire industry switches to electrification, we anticipate it to keep growing." Imagine if the automakers are completely ditching EVs, then the cost and effort spent for charging stations and projects might be a waste. However, can you suggest some alternatives for the brands to overcome this problem? Then share your thoughts in the comments. While the cost of vehicles and the infrastructure needed to charge them are the main obstacles to EV adoption, Futurism also identified other problems that could lead to CEOs putting a stop to manufacturing. However, GM is facing other significant challenges that may affect its cautious estimates. These include a strike by plant workers that has lasted for months and significant setbacks for its robo-taxi company Cruise, which has halted all of its autonomous operations. Dealers are positioned for the most trouble in this cycle of growing pains for the electric vehicle sector. The EVs that automakers promised investors are probably going to keep rolling them out, leaving dealers to figure out how to pitch them to new buyers. However, analysts predict that the astute CEOs will take note of this initial cautionary note from dealers over the direction of the demand swing. And there you have it. The twists and turns in the world of electric vehicles are as electrifying as the cars themselves. Before we sign off, we want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are EVs really on their way out, or is this just a dramatic pause before a massive comeback? Your insights are what make our community so engaging and diverse. And hey, if you enjoyed our deep dive today, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps us know that we're on the right track with our content. Plus, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got some groundbreaking content lined up that you won't want to miss. Stay tuned, stay curious, and as always, thank you for being a part of our journey.